Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to mute a channel for 8 hours on the WhatsApp app for PC using the brand new update. This is a really helpful feature if you're getting too many notifications from a channel but don't want to leave it completely. Let's jump right into the steps. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can see all of your chats and channels. Once the app is open, take a moment to scroll through your chat list and find the channel that you'd like to mute. This could be any channel that's filling your screen with notifications and distractions throughout the day. When you've located the channel, move your mouse pointer over it and right-click on the chat. A small menu will appear with several options you can choose from. Here's the important part. Look for the option that says Mute. Once you click on that, WhatsApp will show you a few different durations for muting. In this new update, you'll now see the option to mute for 8 hours. Select that option and you're all set. Immediately after choosing it, WhatsApp will stop sending you notifications from that channel for the next 8 hours. The channel itself will still be there in your chats, and you can check it manually whenever you want. But it won't pop up with alerts or sounds during that time. This feature is perfect for when you need a break, especially during working hours, study sessions, or even when you just want some peace and quiet. It gives you control of your focus without having to permanently mute a channel or leave it altogether. After the 8 hours are up, notifications will automatically resume as normal, so you don't have to remember to turn them back on. If you want to mute the same channel again, you can repeat the same steps anytime you like. And that's it. With just a few quick clicks, you can now manage your notifications more effectively and enjoy a smoother messaging experience on the WhatsApp desktop app.